Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisaandthompson.com, and I have a question for you. Are you just getting started in your home business and you're looking to get more exposure, getting more people to follow you on social media or to become leads or to get more influence, have more people reaching out to you for your business? Well, pay close attention because in this video I'm going to share with you how to use micro-influencers to get more leads for your business. So what are micro-influencers? Well, micro-influencers, these are people on social media, whether on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, that have anywhere between 1,000 to 100,000 engaged followers. Now notice that that is not a lot, but here is something that they do. They create this fan following that actively like, comment, and share posts related to your industry, okay? And what micro-influencers do is they drive higher engagement with a growing number of shares and comments on their posts. Now, you need to understand that in a lot of, especially on Facebook, that they're not getting enough reach now on their Facebook posts, okay? Because Facebook has really changed their algorithm. And so what they're doing is they're rewarding people. The name of the game, and this is what we're seeing all around, not just on Facebook, but other social media networks, is that in order for your content on social media, whether it's a post or a tweet or an Instagram image, is you have to have engagement. You have to have people engaging with your content, where they're liking, commenting, and sharing your posts. And so these micro-influencers, anything they put out, they're getting high engagement. So if there's a way that you can tap into these micro-influencers, this can help you increase your exposure. And the way that you want to do that in the beginning, okay, is you don't want to be pitching to them your product, service, or business opportunity, but you want to get on their radar so they know who you are and they recommend you to their followers. So that can improve your following base, all right, your audience base. So it all starts with being genuine, and you need to build a credible profile on your social media networks. That means you have an image of you, all right, an image of you smiling. You have your profile information filled out. It doesn't look like a online advertising board, okay? You want to be having things out that describe who you are and what you do without any mention of your product, service, or business. So people can look and see that you are somebody that is real, all right? You are genuine and you are authentic, all right? And then you are creating content that will serve your audience. So you need to know who your audience is, all right? Who are they following? Who do they see your audience sees as influencers, okay? So then you might find, that's the first way you're going to find these micro-influencers, because what micro-influencers will do is that when you start interacting with them, they're going to check out your profiles, and then they will like, comment, or share on any content you create on your profile that they find interesting, that are good. All right, so you want to carefully research those micro-influencers. So that's why doing that little step in the beginning with knowing your audience is so important. And then before you start interacting with them, you want to look at their profile, study it, monitor their followers, and look at the kind of engagement that they generate. You know, you just can't look at the number of followers that they have. You have to look at their engagement. So taking the time, if you're on Twitter, looking at their tweets, how many times are their tweets getting retweeted? They're liked, there's the love button is hit, or the favorite button, or the comment button. If it's on Facebook, how many likes, comments, and shares are on their posts? If you're on YouTube, what are the how many views? How long are they watching? How many comments are on their videos? And then what you want to do is, if you see anything that resonates with you that the micro-influencers are doing with content, leave meaningful comments and tag them. So you don't assume that if you put a meaningful comment down that they're immediately going to look. But if you tag them, all right, they're going to notice because whatever social media network they use, they're going to get a notification, and then they're going to go and they're going to check that out. Now, the other thing you want to do is you know, when you're looking at your profile, is you want to create a compelling and engaging story for the influencer to share and the action you'd like their audience to take when they share it. So that's why it's so important when you're filling out your profile and you're creating curiosity posts. Those are stories, okay? Create those stories that are going to get them interested. And if they're interested and they're following along, you bet they're going to be wanting to share that with their followers. Okay? And then the other thing you want to do is you want to know your influencers beat, these micro-influencers beat, and you want to make them shine. You want to edify them. Okay? So when you get to know the beat of the influencer you're trying to reach, you want to make sure that your content is clear of what they have to gain from it and how that aligns with what they're already doing. Okay? So when you are looking at yourself, if you're first getting started, you want to be edifying them, saying to your audience as you're building it, hey, do you recognize, do you know or follow so-and-so? They've got some really great content on how to solve this particular problem. Okay? See, and what happens then is that when you edify and promote their posts, and you really are giving out good, meaningful content, and you're edifying them, what happens then is you're going to get noticed by them. And then when they start to edify you in return, it's the law of reciprocity. Not only that, in the beginning, people are not going to know who you are and what you're about, but they will know who those influencers are. And if you are getting a shout out from an influencer, that is going to really build your credibility. So what you can do, so places to find micro-influencers, go to your company events. Who are the leaders in your company? Who are the leaders in your industry? Follow them, all right? Like their fan page. Follow them on Facebook. Follow them on Twitter. And just watch what they're doing. And you can really learn from these influencers as well as how they structure their content, how they keep their audience engaged, what words are they using, emojis that they're using, how, what type of videos do they create. That is a way, too, of additional homework that you can use and adapt to help you build your audience. So I hope you found this video valuable today. If you did, leave a comment and share. Make sure you follow me on Facebook by going to facebook.com/Dr. Lisa Thompson and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can do it without leaving Facebook. All you have to do is find the tab you see on my fan page and then click the subscribe button. You will see my most recently uploaded video right there in the featured section. And before you go, if you would like to learn how to generate leads for your business, how to attract micro-influencers to your business, I have a video that can give you a lot of information that'll show you how to do that. Go to the link you see on your screen. I also have it in the comments section. It'll be the first pinned comment. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.